Hello and welcome to Little Learners Education. Today we're going to go step by step through how to make these quick and easy, delicious orange bars with your toddler. To make the base for the orange biscuit bars, you will need a mixing bowl and a spoon, a pan lined with parchment paper, 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To make the orange filling, you will need a blender, a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Squeeze your orange to get the juice out. Half a teaspoon of orange zest. Then grate the skin of the orange for the zest. 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1/8 of a cup of plain flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 eggs. So the first thing we're going to do is make the crust base. So pour the flour into the mixing bowl, then add the butter, then add the sugar, then pour in the salt. Now it is time to mix it up and knead until you make your dough. Once your dough is made, it is time then to press it into the tin. Time to place it in the oven. Bake at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. Then it is time to make our orange filling. So pour the orange juice into the blender, pour the sugar into the blender, then pour the egg into the blender. Then pour in the baking powder. Place the lid onto the blender. Now it is time to blend. Once the base is out of the oven, it is then time to pour the filling on top. Then place it back in the oven at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out of the oven. Allow it to cool, and then it is time to slice it into bars.